In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a course inside your Skool community. And if you don't already have a Skool account, I've left a link in the description where you can create one for free. So let's get into it. Once you're logged into Skool, you'll land on your community home screen. At the top menu, you'll see the option called Classroom. Click on that and then hit the New Course button. This is where you'll set everything up. First, give your course a name, something clear and attractive. Then, add a short description so members know exactly what the course is about. You can also upload a cover image to make it look professional. Next, decide who gets access to your course. You can make it available to all members of your community, restrict it by levels, charge an additional fee, or even make it private so only invited members can join. Once you've set that up, hit Save, and now your course is created. From here, you'll start building out the lessons. You can add pages for each section of your course, give them titles, and fill them with text, images, or videos. If you want to organize things better, you can group lessons into folders, for example, Module 1 or Beginner Level, so it's easier for students to navigate. You can also upload resources like PDFs, checklists, or worksheets to support your content. Adding videos is simple too. You just paste in a YouTube or Vimeo link and it embeds directly into your course page. Once you've created your chapters and added your content, just mark each section as done, and your course will be live inside your Skool community. If you ever need to update something, you can always go back, edit the name, change the description, adjust the price, or even unpublish the course if you only want it available for a certain time. And that's it. Skool makes it really easy to build and launch a course without needing complicated tools or software. If you're ready to start your own Skool community and set up your first course, check out the link in the description to create your free account today.